Hey, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, that is Artrist.com. So if you are curious to know about an unbiased review regarding this website, watch the video till the end, because we are going to give you the review and related information regarding this website. It is an e-commerce platform that sells gadget electronics that can be used daily and make your life easier. There is a wide variety of the products. The domain age is just 3 weeks old. The trust score is 27%. They require 15 to 30 days for shipping your order, and 14 days return policy is made available by the website. It's too young domain age, which is difficult to be trusted. They have mentioned their physical address on the website. Contact number is mentioned. Moreover, email address has been mentioned, that is matching their domain name, which is a good sign. The positive point of using Artrist.com are the website avails a huge range of products at its store. HTTPS secured website. Return, replacement and order cancellation is also available on orders. SL certified website. The negative point of using Artrist.com, the website gain a very low trust rank on the trusted site. The domain held by this website is too young. The company has provided fake social media icons on its website. Moreover, we have found high score of threat profile, scam score, phishing score and malware score based on this website. The website is not popular at all, and we could not find the reviews on this website. So as we are discussing, either this is a legit or a scam store, and we are going to check out certain parameter. For example, it was created on 7 July 2021, just 19 days old website. Very low trust rank is obtained by this website. Very low Alexa rank has been obtained by this website. Owner details are hidden. No social media handles were found on this website. So in the conclusion, we can say that as we have discussed certain parameter to check out its legitimacy, and we are unfortunate to discuss that it is not a legit platform for shopping, so it's better not to buy anything from this store, so you may not lose your money and you may not get scammed from this store. Moreover, if you buy anything from this store, do write your experience, and if you like the video, please share the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. That boosts our spirit to bring such informative videos for you.